Yeah, this is Team Nirmata. And yeah, we smashed 150 cubes. Wanna see what happened before? Watch the video till the end.